When you fall down and scrape your knee, what do you do? Well, most people clean the cut and put a band-aid on it. But after you're done with the band-aid, what happens to it? Items like band-aids create a lot of waste, and although it helps you, it's harmful to the environment because of the plastic and latex used to create it. An innovative new alternative to many wasted products is hagfish slime. This is a hagfish. Hagfish are nearly blind, they feast on dead fish, and they live at the bottom of the ocean. So, what is so special about these creatures? Well, the answer is simple. They're slime. This is hagfish slime. At first glance, it looks messy, sticky, and a little bit repulsive. However, upon closer inspection, it is actually an eco-friendly miracle. Hagfish slime is actually just a mixture of proteins and mucins, which are heavily glycosated proteins. These are released from the glands on the hagfish. When these proteins mix with seawater, the slime is produced. This may not seem like much, but this slime has incredible properties. For instance, one strand of this slime is roughly 100 times more thin than a strand of human hair, which is also made of protein. At the same time, it is over 10 times stronger than a single strand of nylon. This slime is nature's wonder. Hagfish start with a very small amount of slime, but the second it touches the water, the slime rapidly expands. This happens because of an entanglement of skeins and GCTs, which are gland thread cells. GCTs produce something called intermediate filaments, or IF, which are 12 nanometer thick and 12 centimeter long threads. The IFs are placed in bundles known as skeins. The skeins are basically just 20 layers of loops in the shape of a cone. As the salt water touches the skeins, the proteins holding the IFs together dissolve. This leads to the slime to expand as the stored energy in the proteins is released. This slime is naturally produced by hagfish in order to capture prey. The mucus-like substance never dries out and is currently being studied in labs in order for scientists to learn how to synthetically replicate the slime. For instance, one lab called Vincic Labs tried to replace filament producing proteins in certain bacteria with hagfish DNA. However, there are a few problems with hagfish slime, the largest being that DNA requires salt water in order to unravel the GCTs. When these scientists figure out how to synthetically produce materials using hagfish slime, it will be an enormous scientific discovery. The hagfish slime provides an eco-friendly alternative to plastic since the slime is natural and is biodegradable. Also, there is a huge assortment of items that can be made using hagfish slime. Already, hagfish slime is used to craft so-called eel skin bags. In addition, the slime could be used to help create items such as protective clothing, food packaging, and could even potentially replace nylon for good. So the next time you come across a strip of nylon or non-eco-friendly plastic, just remember hagfish and all of their potential. Thank you.